Start by adding 16 graham crackers into a food processor, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 cup toasted pecans, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, and a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. We'll close the lid and then we'll just grind that up until it's fine, and it should look like this. Then you'll transfer your crust into a springform pan that is 10-inch. And then you'll use either your spoon or you'll use a glass, and you just pack it down into the pan, bringing it towards the sides. As you can see, I brought the crust only halfway, but you can either bring it fully up or you can just leave it at the bottom of the pan. And all I'm doing is I'm just packing it in with my spoon until it's fully laid out like this. You will then bake your crust at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until it's brown. Then, into a separate bowl, you will add 4.5 packages of room temperature cream cheese. Then you will add 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar, and you will beat this at medium speed for 5 minutes using a stand mixer or a hand mixer. Once your mixture starts to look more creamy and combined, you will add 5 large room temperature eggs, one at a time, and in between each addition you'll make sure that it's mixed thoroughly. And at this point it starts to look more watery, as you can see, because of the eggs, so just make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl. Once everything is combined, what you will next do is you will add 3/4 cups of room temperature sour cream. You will just beat that at low speed. Once that is mixed, you will add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and this will essentially be the binding agent for the cheesecake. And just add that slowly and let it mix thoroughly. To bake, we'll be using the water bath method, which prevents cracks in the cheesecake. So what you'll do is you'll take 2 large sheets of aluminum foil and you will just wrap your pan in it, which will prevent the water from entering into the pan. Once the pan is wrapped, what you will do is you will put the pan inside a large roasting pan. Then you will take the mixture that you made and you will pour it inside of the springform pan. And you can bring it up to the top as cheesecake doesn't rise as much. You will then add boiling hot water into the pan at 1 inch deep to ensure that the cheesecake cooks evenly and prevents cracks. Finally, you will just bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and then reduce the temperature to 300 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Once you take it out, you let it rest inside the water for 45 minutes and then you'll let it cool in the fridge overnight. To garnish, I just use strawberries, but you can use any toppings of your choice, such as cherry sauce or strawberry sauce. But all I did was I decorated the cheesecake with fresh strawberries. Once you're done, you'll just remove the springform pan to reveal the final cheesecake. And now all you have to do is serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching, everyone.